Good morning, class 11. Welcome back once again. Well, in continuation with the chapter Measures of Dispersion, where already in my previous video I've explained to you how to calculate mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation by individual series, where you people have learned how to calculate mean deviation through median. So today in this session I am going to make you learn how to calculate mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation by median through individual series. So let's start. If you all can see, there is a data which has been given over here, and the data which has been given is of the wages of workers in a factory, where we have the data of around 9 workers, and we have to find out mean deviation, coefficient of mean deviation. So the serial number which has been given to us over here is 1 to 9, and the wages which has been given is the first one 40, second one gets 42, third one gets 45, fourth 47, fifth gets 50, sixth is 51, seventh is 54, 8 is 55, and 9 is 57. Now we'll plot this data into a table. If you can see, there's a table which has 3 columns. On the left hand side there is a serial number, that is 1 to 9. Then the second column is of the wages, that is X, and the third column is where you are going to take out the deviation. So children, if you see the serial number, I have taken 1 to 9. Wages I have noted down as it has been given: 40, 42, 45, 47, 50, 51, 54, 55 and 57. Now what we are supposed to do is we have to find out, that is, deviation from median. And to find out deviation from median, we are going to find out median first. To find out the median, if you see the first one, already you know the formula. When we were doing median, I told you how to find out median. The formula goes like this: m equals to size of n plus 1 upon 2th item, and m equals to size of, if you see size, we have 9 items, so 9 plus 1 upon 2th item, 9 plus 1 comes to 10. If you divide 10 from 2, you get your median to be as 5th item. Now children, you have to find this 5th item, and in front of the 5th item, if you see, you get the 50 wages, right? So that means that your median is 50. So we are going to put this m equals to 50. I have written over there, and now we are going to find out deviation, which we find out how: x minus m. Again, you remember, you have to totally ignore the positive and a negative sign over here. So if you minus 40 from 50, you get 10. Then 42 minus 50, you get 8. Then 45 minus 50, you get 5. Then 47 minus 50, you get 3. 50 minus 50 is 0. 51 minus 50 is 1. 54 minus 50 is 4. 55 minus 50 is 5. 57 minus 50 is 7. So now we are going to add our deviation. So sigma dm comes to 43. Now we are going to find out mean deviation, and the formula for mean deviation already you people know: mdm equals to sigma dm upon n. So mean deviation equal by median equals to, your sigma dm is 43 and your n is 9. If you divide 43 from 9, you get 4.78, right? Now you have to find out coefficient of mean deviation. Again, you know the formula for coefficient of mean deviation, that comes to mdm upon m. Already you are able to find out mean deviation, which is 4.78, and your median you have taken out, that is 50. So if you divide 4.78 from 50, your coefficient of median deviation comes to 0.096. Correct? So children, this is how you can calculate mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation by individual series through median. Now we will be doing how to calculate mean deviation, coefficient of mean deviation by discrete series or frequency array series. Now when we talk about discrete series, there are few things which you have to keep in mind. That is, first of all, under this, we need to take out the deviation, and deviation has to be of different item in the series, where we ignore the positive and the negative sign, right? And each deviation, they have to be multiplied by the frequency. I'll let you know as we are going to do. I'll let you know that how it has to be done. So over here, formula for calculating the mean deviation by discrete series goes like this, where we are doing it first with the median. So median equals to MDM equals to sigma f dm upon n. Here we added f, where dm indicates the deviation which are taken from the median of the series. Now we'll calculate mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation using the median, right? And the data which has been given to us is given as the size of items and frequency. If you see, the size which has been given is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. And the frequency for 5 is 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10, then 11 and 12. Now we are going to plot this into a table. If you see, we have made this table which has 5 columns. On the left hand side we have taken x, second column is of frequency, third one is of cumulative frequency, fourth is for taking out the deviation, and the fifth one is multiple of deviation corresponding to the frequency. So now we are going to take the size of item which is x. So I have taken it as it has been given the data: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Frequency also as it has been given: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. What I have done, I have added up the frequency. So my n comes to 72. Now the next column we have to take cumulative frequency, and you people know very well now how to convert frequency into a cumulative frequency. All you have to do is you have to keep on adding the frequency. So the first cumulative frequency of frequency is 4. Then you add 4 plus 5 comes to 9. Then 9 plus 6 comes to 15. Then 15 plus 7 comes to 22. 22 plus 8 comes to 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. 39 plus 10 is 49. 49 plus 11 comes to 60. And 60 plus 12 comes to 72. So this is how we got a cumulative frequency. Now we'll take out deviation, and to take out the deviation, again we have to find out and calculate median. To calculate median, you people remember the formula, that is median equals to size of n plus 1 upon 2th item, where your n is, already we have added up, frequency 72 plus 1 upon 2. So 72 plus 1 comes to 73. 73 divided by 2, and you get your median as 36.5th item. Now children, when you got this median of 36.5th item, so 36.5th item you have to find in the cumulative frequency where it comes. If you see, I have drawn a box in the cumulative frequency. 36.5th item will come in 39. So just in front of 39, your x is how much? It is 10. So your median is 10. Always remember, before also I have told you, when you calculate deviation, it has to be from the x, never from the frequency. So we have calculated our median as 10. Now we are going to take out the deviation. And again, you people know very well, to calculate the deviation, what you do, that is, when we talk about deviation, so x minus m, your x is 5, so 5 minus 10 comes to 5. Then 6 minus 10 comes to 4, 7 minus 10 is 3, 8 minus 10 is 2, 9 minus 10 is 1, 10 minus 10 is 0, 11 minus 10 is 1, 12 minus 10 is 2, and 13 minus 10 is 3. Totally we have ignored positive and negative sign, which I have already told you in the beginning. Now what we will be doing it, we are going to find out FDM, that is, will multiply the deviation from the frequency. So our deviation was, if you see, first one is 5 and your frequency which is given is 4. So if you multiply 5 from 4, it comes to 20. Second also, 4 into 5 comes to 20. If you multiply 3 into 6 comes to 18. 2 into 7 is 14. 1 into 8 is 8. 0 into 9 is 0 only. And 10 into 1 is 10. 11 into 2 is 22. And 12 into 3 is 36. So now what we will be doing, you will be adding all the FDM together. So we got our sigma FDM to be as 148. Now what we'll be doing, we are going to find out the mean deviation. So we are going to plot this into the formula. And the formula for mean deviation from median is MDM equal to sigma FDM upon N, where your sigma FDM is how much, students? It is 148. So 148, your N is 72. Divide 148 divided by 72 comes to 2.05. Correct? And the next thing which you have to calculate is coefficient of mean deviation from median. So to calculate coefficient of mean deviation from median, your formula is MDM upon M. So your mean deviation already you have calculated 2.05. Your median is 10. So 2.05 divided by 10, you get 0.205. So children, this is how you can calculate mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation by